You're great at what you do, but how do you get more opportunities to do the thing that you know how to do well? We have a live workshop. It's about getting beyond referrals. It can be really challenging to grow a bigger business when you don't know where the next referral will come or how it will come through. And so, this live workshop is about talking to those business owners that already have a business running, things are going okay, and you're now looking to see, well, what's beyond that, right? That's why it's called Beyond Referrals. The next level is really then about showcasing then your knowledge in a compelling way. If you hit the right notes and you hit the knowledge that people are out there searching for, trying to get, next thing you know, they don't need to be referred to you. They don't need a buddy that knows you to tell them, oh, I know a guy. They just came across you on YouTube and they've been following you for a while. And they're like, yeah, I'm ready for that guy. Click. There's a start to finish process that you can go through to establish a pattern where it systematizes this type of engagement. It's a beautiful process because we can double or triple the revenues just simply setting things up in a way that's easy to keep up, easy to create the content that's needed, share the vibe, share who you are. The other thing about this is so much energy and money has been put into making websites present a certain image, have the right content, explain what it is that you do or the problems you solve or the accolades you've gained. It's all driven in there. But at the end of the day, it's just a menu of words. What are the personalities behind that website? That's what a good show, that's what a good podcast, that's what a good YouTube channel. You can make those words, that menu, concretely attached to the personality that's behind the business driving that forward. And so when you think about that, if you're looking at one business and it's great, snazzy text and it looks pretty slick, but there's no personality behind it, versus another website, which is probably the same stuff, same words, same services, right? How can they really be all that different? But, oh, they're on a YouTube channel. Oh, look at them talking. Oh, I like that guy. I want to talk to that guy. Think of yourself as you purchasing something, especially when you're purchasing a service from someone. You really want to get a sense of the vibe. Is this person trustworthy? Does this person know what they're talking about? Does this person have experience that I could benefit from? And what better way to sort of show that than to create video content or a video podcast in this format? We'll elevate your visibility from being invisible to thousands of views. How do we do this? How do we get there? What's that process like? That's what this live workshop's all about. It's about fine-tuning the opportunities for your potential prospects, potential customers, to get a sense of who you are, get a sense of the personality behind the business. So you can learn a lot just by going through the workshop. It's free, just attend, sign up, and then we'll see you there.